In this video, we'll show you how to set up document sending profiles. Each individual customer can be assigned a preferred method in which they receive documents from you, meaning that you won't have to select an option every time you choose the Post and Send action. To set up a document sending profile, enter Document Sending Profiles into the search bar in the ribbon and then choose the related link. In the Document Sending Profiles window, choose the New action. Fill in the fields as necessary. To specify a sending profile on a customer card, use the search icon in the top right corner and enter Customers, and then choose the related link. Open the card of the customer who you want to set up a sending profile for. In the Document Sending Profile field, select a profile that you have set up as described in the previous procedure.